Hi everyone, in this video let's discuss about the important MCQs on agriculture of India. So the first question is, which one among the following food crop is not categorized under millet? So that is wheat. Second one, which of the following was the earliest plantation crop introduced in India? That is coffee. Third one, the only state which produces saffron in India, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth largest producer of pulses in India, that is Madhya Pradesh. It produces large amount of pulses and soya beans. Fifth one, which of the following state has agricultural area less than 60%? So that is West Bengal. And then sixth one, the highest coffee growing state in India, that is Karnataka. Seventh one, which of the following is correctly matched? So they have given region and the well known for the production. So that is Kinnur, Areca nut, Mewar mango, Coromandel soybean. So the first one is wrong. So Kinnur is famous for apple, and Areca it is produced in Karnataka, Kerala, and Assam. And then the second one is also wrong. And then the third one, Coromandel soya bean. So it is also wrong because Coromandel is famous for rice production, pulses production, sugarcane and cotton production. So the answer is option D. Eighth one, match list 1 with list 2. Doab, Assam, Char, Karnataka, Maidan, Punjab, Terai, Uttar Pradesh. So Doab, so this is Punjab. And then Char, it is Assam. Maidan, it is Karnataka. And Terai, it is Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is 3, 1, 2, 4, that is option B. Ninth one, black revolution is related to, that is crude oil production. So blue revolution, that is fish production. And then grey revolution, that is for coal production. And mustard production, that is green revolution. The 10th one, which crop among the following has maximum area of cultivation in India? That is rice. Then 11th one, which one of the following is not a rabi crop? So that is rice. Rice is not a rabi crop. And then 12th one, with reference to genetically modified mustard, GM mustard developed in India, consider the following statements. So it is developed to allow the plant for cross pollination and hybridization. So that is given in statement second. So the answer is option B. And then 13th one, the state with highest production of wheat. So the state which produces high amount of wheat is Uttar Pradesh. And then 14th one, which among the following is the only approved genetically modified crop for commercial cultivation in India? That is BT cotton. 15th one, so which of the following state is the leading producer of wheat? So that is Uttar Pradesh. 16th one, which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Ladakh cotton textile, Dandakaranya cultivation of jute, North Bihar sugar industry, Royal Seema tea plantation. So here North Bihar sugar industry is correctly matched. So the answer is option C. And 17th one, with reference to the circumstances in Indian agriculture, the concept of conservation agriculture assumes significance. Which of the following fall under the conservation of agriculture? So that is adopting minimum tillage and then avoiding the cultivation of plantation crop. This is wrong. And then using crop residue to cover soil surface. So this one is correct. And fifth one, adopting spatial and temporal crop rotation. This is also comes under conservation agriculture. So the answer is 2, 4 and 5, that is option C. 18th one, Which of the following is the leading soya bean production? That is Madhya Pradesh. 19th one, India is the world's second largest producer of. So it is the world's second largest producer of wheat. 20th one, the term Operation Flood. So it is for White Revolution. The average yield of cotton is highest in India for the state of. So the average yield of cotton is highest in Andhra Pradesh. And then which one of the following state is the leading producer of rubber? That is Kerala, which produces about 90% of the rubber. And then 23rd, which one of the following crop was introduced by Portuguese in India? So that is chili. And then 24th, which one of the following most appropriately describes the nature of green revolution in late 60th of 20th century? So that is high yielding varieties program. So that is option C. So intensive cultivation of green vegetables, so this is not included. And then intensive agriculture district program. So this is started in 1961 to give loans. So here for green revolution, so the answer is high yielding varieties program. And 25th, which of the following countries has the maximum production of milk per cow? So that is Denmark. 26th, which of the following statement with regard to the land use situation in India are correct? In the first one, there has been a tremendous decline in area under forest in recent years. So in recent year, so the area under forest is increased about 1%. So this statement is wrong. And the second one, the rate of increase in land use in recent year is highest in case of area under non-agricultural use. So the rate of increase in land use is higher. So this is correct. Third one, land use such as barren and wasteland area under pastures and tree crops have experienced decline in recent years. So this is also correct. So the land use such as barren and wastelands, so these land use were declined in recent years. So this is also correct. So the answer is option 2 and 3, that is option C. 27th one, which of the following state is the largest producer of cardamom and pepper? So that is Kerala, so which produces large amount of cardamom and pepper. 28th, the new agricultural strategy called Green Revolution was initiated in. So it is initiated in 1965, so to reduce hunger and poverty. And 29, the term Operation Flood refers to. So it refers to milk production. So also known as White Revolution. 30th one, dry farming in India is extensively practiced in. So it is extensively practiced in Deccan Plateaus. 31st, terrace farming is done. So is done on the slope of hills. So the answer is option A. 32, yellow revolution is associated with the production of. So it is associated with the production of oil seeds. So and then 33rd, consider the following pairs. Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysore, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Patiala, National Institute of Nutrition, Pune. So which of the above pairs are correctly matched? So the Central Food Technological Research Institute, so it is in Mysore, Karnataka, so the answer is correct. First one is correct. And then Indian Veterinary Research Institute, so it is in Bangalore, Karnataka, so it is wrong. Third one, National Institute for Nutrition, so it is in Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is also wrong. So the answer is option A. 34th, recently our scientists have discovered a new and distinct species of banana plant which attain a height of about 11 meter and has orange color fruit pulp. In which part of India has it discovered? So it is discovered in Andaman Island. So and then 35th, among the following, which one is the major producer of cotton, groundnut and tobacco in India? So that is Gujarat. And 36th, green revolution in India was expeditiously feasible in zones of. So these are in zones of assured irrigation. 37th, which of the following is an important cotton producing area in India? So that is Deccan Trap. 38th, which of the following cultivations related to Badai, Agahani and Grama cultivation? So that is paddy. 39, consider the following agriculture practices: contour bunding, relay cropping and zero tillage in the context of global climatic change. Which of the above help in carbon sequestration or storage in the soil? So that is zero tillage. So the answer is option B. 40th one, consider the following crops in India. So here they has, which of the following is used as pulse fodder and green manure? So the answer is all these three were used as pulses and fodder and green manure. Okay. First, with reference to the cultivation of kharif crops in India in last 5 years, consider the following statements. So the first question is area under, first statement is area under rice cultivation is the highest. So this is correct. And the second one, the area under the cultivation of jowar is more than that of oilseed. So this is wrong. And the third one, the area of cotton cultivation is more than sugarcane. So this is correct. And the fourth one, the area under cotton cultivation is steadily decreased. So this is wrong. So the answer is 1 and 3, that is option A. 42nd, consider the following crops in India: groundnut, sesame and PL millet. So here they have asked which of the following is predominantly rain-fed crops. So all the three crops are rain-fed crops. So the answer is option D. 43rd, among the following, which one is the major producer of cotton, Gujarat, tobacco in India? That is Gujarat. 44, which of the following pass is incorrect? So the first one, golden revolution, that is food production. So fruit production, so this is correct. And then blue revolution, increasing production of fertilizer, so this is wrong. So because blue revolution is related to fish production. And then yellow revolution for the production of eggs, so this is for the production of vegetable oils. So the answer is, they have asked incorrect, so the answer is option D. 45th, viticulture, so it refers to the cultivation of grapes. So option B is the right answer. 46th, which one of the following crop is not cultivated in Kariwas lacustrine deposits of sand, clay, loam, silt and boulders? So that is lignite. 47th, in India during the last decade, the total cultivated land for which one of the following crop has remained at more or less stagnant, that is for pulses. And then 48th one, the approximate representation of land use classification in India is, so here the answer is option D. So the forest covers 43% and the net area zone, that is 47%, and the other areas are 30%. (49) Given below are the names of 4 energy crops, which one of them can be cultivated for ethanol. So that is option A. 50th one, the technology mission on cotton was launched during the 10th plan. The scheme was designed to get increase in production of cotton by which of the following levels by the end of the plan. So that is 200 lakh bulbs. 50 and 51st one, ideal NPK ratio for Indian soil is, that is 4:1. And 52, which of the following is a biodiesel plant? So that is Jatropha. And then 53rd, major producer of mulberry silks in India. So that is Karnataka. So and then 54th, dolomite powder is applied in some agricultural land. So the purpose of applying it is to, increase the pH of the soil. 55, which insect is known as farmer's number one enemy? That is aphids. 56, golden revolution refers to, so it refers to horticulture. 57, which one of the following areas of output is witnessing the new revolution? So that is oil seeds. And then 58, which one of the following state is the largest producer of black pepper in India? So that is Kerala. 59, which one of the following is categorized as millet? So that is option C, sorghum. And 60th one, silk is mostly obtained from, so it is mostly obtained from Varanasi. And then 61st one, which of the following state of India produces more than 70% of the coffee? So coffee, it is Karnataka. And then 62nd, which of the following soil in India is ideal for the cultivation of cotton? That is black soil. 63rd, intensive cultivation refers to, so it refers to raising production by intense use of existing land. So and then 64th, the impact of green revolution was felt more in the case of, so that is wheat. And then 65, who is known as the father of green revolution? So that is Norman Borlaug. And then 66, which of the following statement about sugar industry is correct? So first one, in the world, India's share in sugar production is over 15%. And the next one is, sugar industry is the second largest agro-based industry in India. So this is correct. And the third one, India is the largest consumer of sugar. So this is also correct. And the fourth one, India is the largest producer of sugar. So this is wrong. So the answer is option 2 and 3, that is the correct answer. And the next one, arrange the following varieties of silk in India in their order of decreasing production. So the first one is mulberry, and then eric, and then tasser, and then muga. So the answer is 3241, that is option A. And then the crops grown after summer monsoon are called. So the crops that are grown after summer monsoon are called rabi. And then 69, which of the following is not a kharif crop? So that is mustard. So cotton, rice, maize, groundnut, so these are under kharif crop. And the next one is, which state in India are the largest producer of sugarcane? So the largest producer of sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is option A. So Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, so these are the largest producer of sugarcane. And then 71, the highest wheat producing state, that is also Uttar Pradesh. And then 72nd, which among the following monoculture crops provide immediate cash to the farmers? So that is coffee and tea. So these only give immediate cash to the farmers. So the answer is 1 and 4. Tea in Assam and coffee in Brazil. So that is option D. 73rd, among the following states, which one has the most suitable climatic condition for the cultivation of large variety of orchids with minimum cost of production and can develop an export oriented industry in this field? So that is Arunachal Pradesh. Then 74, which one of the following is a rabi crop in the northern state of India? So that is barley. So this is one of the rabi crop. And then 75th, betel leaf of which one of the following state has been accorded a GI tag recently? So that is Kerala state. 76th, who is known as the father of Blue Revolution? So the father of Blue Revolution is Hiralal Chaudhary. So the father of Green Revolution is Norman Borlaug. And then 77, Muga silk is associated to which of the following states of India? So that is Assam. 78, with reference to the GI tag in India, which of the following pairs are correct? So Chanderi silk, that is Maharashtra. Arunachal Pradesh, Aramula Kannadi, that is in Karnataka. And then East India leather, that is Tamil Nadu. Kani shal, that is Gujarat. So here they have asked which pair is correct. So the answer is option C. So Chanderi sari, so that is in Madhya Pradesh. And then Aranmula Kannadi, that is in Kerala. So the right answer is option C. 79, Green Revolution is related to. So it is related to wheat. And then 80th one, in which of the following place silk textile industry is not present? So it is not present in Mirzapur. And then 81st, the context of agriculture the term Bharani refers to. So it refers to rain-fed farming. So because these agricultural areas depends on rain. 82nd, which of the following region has earned geographical indication for its oranges? So that is Coorg. And then which one of the following hill doesn't have tea plantation? That is Girnar. 84th, the number of people per unit area of arable land is termed as. So it is termed as physiological density. Number of people per unit area of arable land, that is termed as physiological density. And then 85th one, which one of the following is not a type of commercial agriculture? So that is not a type of commercial agriculture. So that is intensive subsistence agriculture. 86th, which one of the following is not a land use category? So that is barren and wasteland. 87th, in which one of the following state is jute not significantly cultivated? That is Odisha. 88. Given above are the two statements and one is labeled as assertion and the other as reason. So the assertion is sugarcane and sugar production in Uttar Pradesh is more than Maharashtra, but productivity is less. So this is correct. And the reason is most of the sugar factories in Maharashtra or in cooperative sector. So actually the reason is correct. So these both are independently correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of A. So the answer is